boys and girls, this is Mrs. Kopecki again with lesson 2 of writing in cursive. Today the letters that we're going to work on are the lowercase k and t. First let's start with lowercase k. So as I taught you at the beginning of the year, we start at the very top, we go all the way from top to bottom and trace back up halfway, make our loop, connect right there and go down with the tail. Now you're going to understand why I made you make a K like this every single time, because this is very close to the way a cursive K is made. All we're going to add is an uphill stroke like this, and that's all there is for a difference. So let's practice a few. Let's start on the bottom, make our uphill stroke all the way to the top, make a little loop, carry it down straight, trace halfway up, make a loop, connect it right there, and go down with a tail. Let's try another one. Starting at the bottom, we're going to make a loop up, come straight down, come up halfway, make a loop, and go down with the tail. All right, let's go into lowercase t. Now, in printing, I've always taught you to start at the top, go from top to bottom, put a tail on it, and cross in the center. So, the difference is we're going to make an uphill stroke, except this time we're not going to make a loop. Our uphill stroke starts at the bottom, and it just goes like that and follows through with a regular T. So that's all that's added. Let's try a few. We're going to start at the bottom. We're going to make our uphill stroke to touch the top, and now we're going to trace over the same line and then break off, touch the bottom and a tail, and then cross. Let's try another one. Uphill, touch the top, down, touch the bottom, tail, cross left to right. Now it's not a very long line when we cross it, so we don't want to go, maybe some things that we want to avoid are making a loop. So if you accidentally made a loop and then crossed it, it would kind of look like an L that had a cross through it, so we don't want to do that. And if you make a T and make the line too long, that's really unnecessary. So try to keep it a little bit simpler and not quite too long of a line. All right, let's put some letters together. For example, K and L. So we'll come down here. Remember, start at the bottom, and we're going to make our uphill stroke with the loop. Come on, straight down. Make our loop here, connect, and down right, and the end turns right into the T. And finish it off with a tail, and then the last thing we do is cross. Now what if we put some other letters together like T and H? Those are really popular letters to use together. So we're going to start at the bottom, make our T, uphill stroke, follow the line down, and touch the bottom, and it continues right into the H. Make a loop, straight down, here's our hump, touch the bottom, and there's our tail. Now when we're not finished, we have to go back and cross the T. Remember, not too long. Some other letters we can put together would be L and K. So we start at the bottom, make our loop. The tail turns right into the loop for the K. Touch the bottom, go straight down, turn around and go back. Here's our loop, connect, and down for our tail. There's LK. Let's try HT. Switch it around a little bit. So we're going to start at the bottom, make our loop for the H, touch the bottom, here's our hump. We're going to go right into the T, uphill into the T, trace it back down exactly. There's our tail, and go back and cross. One more combination. How about T, L? We haven't done that one yet. So let's go up for the T, trace back over, The ending becomes the beginning. We're going to make our loop for the L and the tail. Don't forget, go back and cross the T. And that's it for lesson 2. It would be a good place to stop and practice on your paper.